Scotland many times now, but we're always guilty of sticking to what we know and heading towards the west coast. But this time we had different plans and made our way to Perthshire to explore an area we'd never been to before. We're so glad we decided to try something new, and as always, Scotland did not disappoint.
The campsite owner has just come up and they're going to plant a whole forest in this area, so he gave us the first 4 trees to put down. So one for you, me, Henry and Wally.
Oh yeah!
So
Okay.
there you go, put his little winter pyjamas on. Good night, little fella. We'll see you in like 30 years. Hopefully. That's what I think. I want to see if he's in there.
For our first 2 nights in Perthshire, we stayed at the stunning Newridge. There are options here for everyone, including fully equipped huts, a cosy barn area to hide in from the elements and play a game or two, as well as 500 acres of beautiful moorland with epic views in every direction. Thank you so much to Angus and the team for the warm welcome. We can't wait to come back.
Are we just doing Scottish places?
Yeah, it's a Scottish theme.
Oh my god, that's so good.
That's such a good one. Yes.
That's
Now we just
definitely
need gorms.
Gorms. Oh yeah.
Gorms. Boys. What are you doing with?
Just blending the waffle mix.
Nice. Thank you so much to Jackery for sponsoring this video and inspiring us to light up our winter. We loved having warm toasty waffles, and this cold and foggy morning was the perfect opportunity to try and make some for our breakfast.
This Black Friday and Cyber Monday, Jackery offering a massive discount of up to 25% off their products from the 24th to the 28th of November. Head over to their Amazon store or official website to check out all the deals and kit yourself out for your next adventure this winter. You can find all the links in the video description below. We used the AC outlet to power our waffle maker, and the results were so much better than we expected. We topped them up with cream cheese and Scottish smoked salmon and they tasted delicious.
Oh, thank you.
We made enough to fuel ourselves for a day of exploring the area and still had enough power on the Jackery to charge our phones and cameras for the rest of the trip.
Don't forget to check out Jackery's official website and Amazon store for all the details on their deals this Black Friday and Cyber Monday.
Best waffles ever, I think. So good. Is that good?